Migrating to Zine Desktop. A step-by-step guide as businesses shift to digital. They need efficient VDI solutions. Citrix Zine Desktop is a powerful platform. It lets organizations deliver virtualized desktops and apps to users. This enhances flexibility, security, and management. Migrating to Zine Desktop can seem daunting. A structured methodology, on the other hand, can promote an effortless transition. Understanding Zine Desktop architecture components. Zine Desktop has several parts. They are the delivery controller, virtual delivery agents, VDAs, StoreFront, and Citrix Director. Each plays a crucial role in managing and delivering virtual desktops and applications. Deployment options. Zine Desktop can be deployed in various ways. It can be on-premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid setup. Understanding your organization's requirements will help determine the best approach for your environment. Assessing current infrastructure and requirements inventory. Create an inventory of current hardware, software, and network configurations. Test compatibility with Zine Desktop. User needs. Gather feedback from end users to know their needs. This includes their app usage patterns and performance expectations. Designing the Zine Desktop environment layout design. Decide where to place your Zine Desktop components. This ensures top performance and scalability. This may include many delivery controllers for load balancing. Resource allocation. Use the capacity data to divide enough resources among your VMs. Consider storage, CPU, and memory needs. Training and support for end users. User training. Train users on how to access and use the new Zine Desktop environment. Create clear documentation. It should outline common tasks and troubleshooting tips. Ongoing support. Set up a support system for users with post-migration issues. This could include a dedicated help desk or knowledge base. Conclusion. Migrating to Citrix Zine Desktop is a big change. It requires careful planning, execution, and support. Organizations can achieve a better VDI solution by understanding the architecture, assessing the current infrastructure, designing the environment, implementing the migration plan, providing user training.